Good morning, my students, and today we are again on online classes. And you know that once again the weather has become very worse, and that is not so conducive for you all to come to the school. That's why today once again I'm just recording one video for you, and today I'm going to discuss some questions of pronouns. These are here. So today I'm just going to discuss one particular pronoun, a kind of pronoun that is reciprocal. Okay. So what is that reciprocal pronoun? These are two pronouns, each other and one another. So today we are going to learn about each other and one another, and these each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. And I have selected 7 or 8 questions for you. I think question number 8 is not visible to you because of the camera of my phone, but that I will later on write on the above, on the top of the questions. So fill in the blanks with suitable reciprocal pronouns, and you better know reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Okay. So first, we should know where to use each other and one another. This I am writing in this portion. Each other and one another. Each other is used only for two nouns, while one another is used only for more than two nouns or pronouns. You can also write here pronouns. I have written the rules of reciprocal pronouns as well here. Each other and one another. In Hindi, you can write it and know it in the form of एक दूसरे से. Each other is used only for two nouns. Each other का प्रयोग सिर्फ दो संज्ञाओं या सर्वनामों के लिए करते हैं, जबकि one other का प्रयोग दो से अधिक संज्ञाओं सर्वनामों के लिए करते हैं. So some unusual sound is coming out of this classroom because some construction work is going in our school. That's why some unusual sound is coming. That doesn't matter, but I hope that you all are writing all these questions. You are just copying down all the questions written on the board by me. And these are 8 questions, but I think only 7 are visible to your eyes, and 8 number question I will write on the top. So don't worry for this. I have already taught you all the use of each other and one another. Each other is only for two nouns or pronouns, while one another is used for more than two nouns or pronouns. Each other का प्रयोग दो संज्ञा सर्वनामों के लिए करते हैं, जबकि one another का प्रयोग दो से अधिक संज्ञा सर्वनामों के लिए करते हैं. So now the questions are written here, and just learn these rules and fill in the gaps. I am giving you 2 minutes time. I am giving you 2 minutes time to fill in the gaps. Right now you will do it. I am coming back just within 1 minute. Please finish it. Okay, my dear students, I have come back, and you have already got the rules each other is used only for two nouns or pronouns, while one another is used for more than two nouns or pronouns. I forgot giving you example. Examples are here. Just look at it. Ram and Shyam are helping each other. Why I have used each other? You know better. There are two nouns mentioned here in the sentence, Ram and Shyam. But Ram, Shyam and Mohan help one another. This is one another. So why have I used one another here? The message is clear. There are three nouns here: Ram, Shyam and Mohan. So all three nouns are used here. So that's why we use, for more than two nouns we use one another. So these are the rules of reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used only for two nouns or pronouns. Example for the each other you can note down over here. Ram and Shyam are helping each other. One another is used only for more than two nouns. Ram, Shyam and Mohan help one another. So here one another. Why have I used one another? You should know it that for more than two nouns we use one another, and only for two nouns we use each other. So I think and I hope that you all might have understood me well. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी समझ गए होंगे. ईच अदर का दो के लिए करते हैं, वन अनदर का दो से ज़्यादा के लिए करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट. अब हम ये क्वेश्चंस कुछ करेंगे. यस, सो रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउंस, fill in the blanks with suitable reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns have already been written here. Each other, one another, and these are their uses with examples. So now let us get started filling the gaps. The two sisters love. We have already mentioned the word two. So the reciprocal pronoun will be each other, right? So I have done one for you. Now you have to do that 6 questions which are visible to your eyes. 7 and 8 questions I will write again on the top. So first you have to do those questions which are visible to your eyes from 1 to 6. After doing this, I'll write 2 questions on the top. Then you will do them later on. Okay. So first I have helped you there. The two sisters loved each other. Now you have to do all the 6 questions. I am giving you 1 minute time and coming back again. Okay, my dear students, I have come back and now I hope you will start writing the answers, and you have already done it. You might have already done it. So the two sisters love each other. यहाँ संज्ञाएं दो हैं, इसलिए according to rule हम दो संज्ञाओं या सर्वनामों के लिए each other लगाते हैं. So each other इसमें आ जाएगा, right? Little children, यहाँ बच्चों की संख्या दो से ज़्यादा है, एक से ज़्यादा है, बट ये नहीं है कि दो है, right? दो से ज़्यादा हो सकता है, इसलिए यहाँ हम लगाएंगे one another. Next, the two brothers. Here we have already got the numbers written. यहाँ दो लिखा हुआ है, right? और जहाँ दो रहता है आपको पता है, अब मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी यहाँ रूल्स बताए हुए हैं कि दो अगर संज्ञा सर्वनाम रहता है तो ईच अदर लगाते हैं, दो से ज़्यादा रहता है तो वन अदर लगाते हैं. राइट। इसमें ऑलरेडी 2 लगा हुआ था इसलिए हमने ईच अदर लगाया। यहाँ कोई संख्या नहीं दिया हुआ है मतलब कि मोर देन 2 ही हो सकता है इसलिए हमने यहाँ वन अनदर लगाया। once again we are getting the numbers is written here 2। यहाँ फिर से हमें 2 नंबर मिल रहा है। 2 brothers quarreled with, फिर यहाँ हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, each other करना पड़ेगा। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, they all gave evidence against what? They all gave evidence against what? Now you can see here there is no number given in the sentence. It means the writer want to tell you that the number is not 1 2, more than 2. So here one another is definitely used because according to this sentence the number may be more than 2. So for more than 2 nouns or pronoun according to rules I have already mentioned here, हम one another ही लगाएंगे, right? Once again question number 5, they cheated. Once again number has not been mentioned, so you simply write one another. The 2 here once again the number has been mentioned. 2 men hate each other. 2 has been given the number, and how many men hate each other? 2. The number is already given. 2 men, we use each other. Now once again 2 nouns are here, Mohan and Sohan, and there is no need of the repetition. I have already told you many times that each other is used only for 2 nouns. Each other is used for 2 nouns pronouns, while one another is for more than 2 nouns pronouns. Okay. So the 2 men hate each other. 2 number has already been given. So each other. So how many nouns are here? Mohan and Shohan. So 2 nouns are here. Each other. And Sita, Geeta, Renu and Suman. Now you can count these nouns. These are more than 2 nouns. I mean to say these are 4 nouns. So there is no need of telling the rules. You should always keep in mind that for more than 2 nouns or pronouns we should use one another. So I have done 7 questions. I will write 8 number question above because you have not seen the question because it is written at the end of the sets. That is according to me, according to the camera you are not getting this. It is not visible. That's why I am writing it on the top. So wait for 2 minutes only. Question number 8 I am writing on the top. Sita, Geeta, Renu and Suman help this. You have to feed one another. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 nouns are there. So for more than 2 nouns we use one another. So we have already finished it, and once again I would like to remind you all the rules of reciprocal pronouns, right? So reciprocal pronouns are already written here. Each other and one another are called the reciprocal pronouns. हिंदी में एक दूसरे से each other is used only for 2 nouns, while one another is only for more than 2 nouns. Ram and Shyam are helping each other. Ram, Shyam and Mohan help one another. Here more than 2 nouns have been mentioned, so we have used one another. Here only 2 nouns have been mentioned like Ram and Shyam, that's why we use each other. One more thing, this I am telling you about spoken English. This is one disclaimer from my side that these rules of grammar are only for written English, but in terms of speaking there is no use like this where to use each other and where to one another. You should not keep this in your mind that these are used for spoken English. These strict rules are used only while you are writing, but in spoken if you are using for more than 2 each other, that will also do the purpose. And if you are using for more than two nouns each other, that is also fulfilling the purpose, So you can, in short, I can say that for communicative English, there is no need of using grammar, but we need fluency, but we need hesitation, our hesitation to go from our side. We have to become hesitationless. This is the need for the hour. So I have done all the 8 questions before you, and I hope that you all might have noted them down on your copy with your pen. And next time I'll see you again, and I'll describe some other kinds of pronouns. Till then, bye bye. See you next class.